Welcome to our journey through the core topics of JavaScript. Whether you're just starting out or looking to build a strong foundation, this presentation is designed to make JavaScript approachable and fun. Grab your coffee, and let's explore how simple examples can unlock the power of this dynamic language together. How does JavaScript organize and store information? It all begins with variables, using var, let, or constant. With 6 primitive data types like number and string, plus powerful objects and arrays, JavaScript gives you the flexibility to manage and structure your data in creative ways. Ever wondered how JavaScript performs tasks or remembers values? Functions let you group code into reusable blocks, while arrow functions offer a modern shortcut. Understanding scope, where variables live, helps you write cleaner, more predictable code as your projects grow. What drives decision-making in code? Control structures like if-else statements let your programs react to different situations. Switch statements make handling many choices easier, and loops repeat actions, helping you automate tasks and build more dynamic applications. Objects are the backbone of dynamic web apps. Through prototypes, JavaScript enables objects to inherit features, making your code more efficient. Constructor functions act as blueprints, allowing you to create many similar objects with ease and consistency. Arrays help you organize lists of data, from numbers to objects. Create arrays using simple brackets or constructors, then use methods like push, pop, map, and filter to shape and transform your data. Iterating with for each brings a functional approach to processing every item. How does JavaScript handle tasks like loading data without freezing the page? Asynchronous JavaScript is the answer. Callbacks let you run functions after something finishes, like waiting for an API call. Promises make managing these operations smoother by allowing chaining. And with async and await, you can write asynchronous code that looks almost synchronous, making your code cleaner and easier to follow. Ever wonder how websites react instantly to your clicks? That's the magic of JavaScript event handling. Event listeners respond to user actions like clicks or key presses. Events can travel through the page in a process called propagation, letting you control interactions at different levels. And with event.prevent default, you can stop unwanted actions, like stopping a form from submitting before it's ready. How does JavaScript change a web page on the fly? It all starts with the DOM, a tree-like structure of your HTML. You can select elements using methods like getElementById or querySelector, then modify their attributes, styles, or content with properties like innerHTML or setAttribute. This gives your code the power to create dynamic, interactive web experiences. What happens when something goes wrong in your code? JavaScript's error handling comes to the rescue. The try-catch statement lets you catch and manage errors gracefully. You can throw your own custom errors for better control. And with the finally block, you make sure certain actions always run, no matter what, keeping your programs reliable and robust. What makes modern JavaScript so powerful? ES6 brought game-changing features. Template literals use backticks for flexible, readable strings. Destructuring assignment lets you pull out values from arrays or objects in a single step. And modules help organize your code for easier maintenance and collaboration. These features make coding faster and more intuitive. How does JavaScript talk to other applications? JSON is the universal language, lightweight and easy to share between systems. With Fetch, JavaScript retrieves data from APIs asynchronously. Parsing JSON converts data between strings and objects, making it easy to work with real-world information and build connected web apps. To wrap up, mastering JavaScript isn't just about learning syntax, it's about building good habits. Structure your code with functions and modules for clarity. Use consistent naming conventions so others can understand your work. And always test and debug to ensure your code runs smoothly. These best practices set you up for success.